Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you properly.
Okay. How are you?
I'm fine. And what about you?
Yeah, I'm doing fantastic. So, brother, could you please introduce yourself?
Yes, of course. Okay, first of all, thank you so much giving me this opportunity. So let's get my introduce. So my name is Abdul Salam. I'm from India. My native place, Bilashivra. I have completed my graduation from Guwahati University, and my hobbies learning English and playing outdoor games. And actually, currently I have been working my computer shops, and so that's all about me. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. And why you are learning English?
Okay, because learning English, so many things. Actually, learning English is a most important language for every people. Like learning English, actually, one of the most important language in the world, and it is spoken by millions of people as their first or second language. Okay, and learning English so many time important. So when you are traveling purposes, go to another country, that time learning English is most important. So that's why I start my journey, and basically it's my self confident. So I fluently speak at that time learning English, and basically I'm a job seeker because actually I studying for a job competitive exam. That time English is the most important language, so that's why I start my journey. So that's all about.
Okay, thank you. It was a really great explanation. Okay. So, brother, I'm from India, right?
Yes, right.
Okay. And I'm from Bangladesh. Do you know about Bangladesh?
Yes, I know about your Bangladesh. Actually, Bangladesh is uh, actually nearby India, neighbor country.
Oh, yeah. Some of my close relative they are stay at India. So I have a plan. If I get any chance, definitely I will go to visit India.
Okay, okay, welcome in our India state, India. So now when you visit that time, I visit you with you. Okay.
Yeah, of course, of course. Of course, I will meet with you. And so, brother, what is your favorite color?
Actually, my favorite color is white.
How many siblings do you have?
Um, basically, I have three sisters and four brothers.
Wow, what a big family.
Yes, it's a big family.
You are joint family or nuclear family?
No, no, no. Actually, joint family also.
Wow. I like joint family, but I'm from nuclear family. There are total four member of my family. Now, so brother, what does your father do?
Okay, actually, my father he's a farmer, and actually, my father is a hardworking person and always support me. And starting time when I studying, and that time most of the supportive person is my father. And actually, my father always support me. Okay.
Yeah, of course. Every father, of course, they try to support their son and daughters. Your father also. So, brother, can you dance?
No, no, I can't dance any dance.
What is your favorite hobby?
Okay, my favorite hobby actually, first thing actually job, and second thing is the my content creator actually English content creator, and right now I have one Facebook page and one YouTube channel, and daily conversational video making, and after upload my page. Actually, my hobbies, first things actually a job, and second thing content creator. Okay.
Okay, we are so excited to know about your page or YouTube channel name. So please.
Okay, okay, of course. My Facebook page, English with Salam, and my YouTube channel name is same, English with Salam. Okay.
Wow. Best wishes for you, brother. And I think if you can continue practice, so definitely you will become a fluent speaker, and your all wishes and all goal will fulfill. Okay. Best wishes
Okay.
from my heart. So, brother, thank you. Next time we will try to make another new conversation. Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Best of
Thank
luck.
you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.